Magandang araw mga kasimple, at ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng stir fry broccoli, fast and easy. First things first, una po ay gayatin natin ang broccoli into small pieces. Magpakulo ng tubig, lagyan ng asin at oil. Ilagay ang sliced broccoli and blanch it into 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook. Hanguin at set aside. For the sauce, mix some light sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, chicken granule, cornstarch, and water. Para po ito pampalapot. Fry some minced garlic till aroma comes out. Add the sauce that we prepared a while ago until thicken. Add the pre-blanched broccoli and stir fry for at least 2 minutes. You can also add meat if you like, but I prefer this way.